Yes, we have a heater here. This is a heater for the washing machine Whirlpool. This is the old heater. I replace it because it is grounded to the body, and the terminal is already damaged, so it's better to replace. I gonna show you how to replace this heater and how to install. Don't forget to subscribe guys. I'm sorry for my English because I'm not good in English, but I'm trying to speak English to understand and help others, commonly to the person who don't know how to repair. Rep? Let's find another heater guys. I think this one is not good.
Yeah.
Because it's, see the terminal, it's not good. For me it's not good. Ada gata po. Ada. Ada P sensor. Check sensor tahad. Tahad P tahad. No, P sensor ada. Check sensor ada. And only Win sensor ada.
Last night I checked,
Ada P sensor Win ada sensor. I'm just only remove the cover and the sensor I hide this because I'm looking for the leak, but when there's the sensor, maybe they misplaced or they removed while the delivering. Maybe in the car. Check in the car. It will not work without sensor. Because let's find another heater guys. It's too long guys. It's been a long and wild journey. This is same guys. Okay guys. Loosen the screw and then push this guys. Push. Put ano guys, oil. So better, for smoothly while installing, guys. Hug guide inside. Okay. Then tighten this screw. Seven.
هذا خلاص هذا
Mapisot while spinning. Ada kelas.
هذا
Mapisot.
نفسه
Mapisot while child try spin.
في صوت بس مو واجد عليه.
Just tighten the screw, guys, and just put the ground. This is for the ground, and this is for the sensors, and this is for you need to remove that, guys. Nasim, can you
Both?
You are the master of all the master. Without you, master. We can never be said. Looking back into the light. Okay, guys, it's already done. It's how to install heater. Let's check the meter. If still have background or not, or nothing. But I think happy mo sila. Which is the heater, 36 ohms. Check ground. Check heater if have a grounded or not. Hoping not. There's a ground again, but I think the problem is not on the heater. But let's try check again. Check tani, check other. It's okay, guys, it's normal. Okay, it's okay. But if the reading is stay have a shorted, have a grounded. Sorry, guys. So heater is good. It's working fine now, guys. Let's check some. Okay, that's how to install heater. This is a Whirlpool. Oh no, this is an Indesit. Indesit, guys. Sorry. This is an Indesit. Indesit front load washing machine.